I'd like to share with you 3 predictions about the future of networking technology in 2024. The first of which, and overriding for all predictions, is that economics will continue to trump technology. What this means, specifically, is that Wi-Fi 7 will be introduced and used by early adopters, but not go mainstream. Secondly, in those same frequency bands where countries allow outdoor coverage in the 6 gigahertz band, we will see quick adoption of this for WISPs. A second prediction is that AI will be used for network analytics, maintenance, and troubleshooting. It will be used such that predictively we will be able to tell whether networks will fail and fix them before this happens. And when they do fail, we will more easily figure out why they fail and how they fail and be able to correct them. We will also make it such that folks who are maintaining the networks will have an easier time having to do less work themselves. The third way that networks will change is enhanced security. We are finding that more and more networks are prone to be hacked, and as such, we need to spend more and more of our efforts on protecting them. We will see an increase of network security apparatus throughout the entire network that will make our networks more secure.